what's up everyone, that's your boy Gumzy and welcome to my vlog. I hope you guys doing great. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि कल वाला vlog मैं अच्छे से close नहीं कर पाया because I was super tired from that wedding. I really apologize on that and I will try my best to end my videos properly. And today I'm going on a rodeo show with my friend Andre. The location we are going to shoot today is 2-hour drive from Edmonton. You might be wondering what we will be doing over there. So basically it's a cowboy competition show and we will be capturing all those moments and making a highlighted video. Last night I went through all those event details and from that information the event looks very interesting. There will be lots of fun for kids, adults and old age people. So that means lots of music, lots of food and lots of bullfights. So now let's talk about the camera. I will be using my Sony A4 with the Ninja 5. So what will be my settings? Especially when I'm shooting these kind of events, I always use 60 frames per second because I have that room in the post to slow down the footage. And on my Ninja, I will be using ProRes 422 10-bit. If you guys want me to make more videos on camera settings and Ninja, let me know. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing some B-roll and some final footage. So keep in touch and have fun. So guys, we have started our journey from Edmonton around 2:30. It took us 2 hours 30 minutes to reach the location. और रास्ते में हमें बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ऐसे गांव आए, विलेजेस आए जो बहुत ही प्यारे थे, बहुत खूबसूरत थे. Look at that water tank. आजकल कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं यार, है ना. वहाँ पे था तो इट लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. बड़ी विंटेज सी लुक आ रही थी विलेज की और कोई भी नहीं था. इट वॉज सो क्वाइट. मुझे पर्सनली ऐसे विलेजेस बहुत पसंद है. आई नो फिल्म्स में बहुत कुछ दिखाते हैं, रॉन्ग टर्न वगैरह, बट पर्सनली इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. जैसे ही हम लोकेशन पे पहुंचे हैं, हमने अपना सारा सामान अनपैक करना शुरू कर लिया है, कैमरा गियर्स को सेटअप कर लिया. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा हॉस्पिटल भी था जहाँ पे मैंने एक हेलीकॉप्टर को जाते हुए देखा, विच वाज एम्बुलेंस हेलीकॉप्टर. सो इस वाली लोकेशन पे हमने एक लोकल परेड को कैप्चर करना था. हम लेट पहुँचे हैं तो वो परेड हमें नहीं कैप्चर कर पाए. तो रास्ते में छोटे छोटे और गाँव आए हैं, बड़े प्यारे से कोजी से विलेजेस, विच आई रियली लाइक इट. अनदर वाटर टैंक यू सी हेयर. हम पहुंच गए हैं मेन लोकेशन के ऊपर जहाँ पे हमारा काउबॉयज का शो था, रोडियो शो. ओके गाइस, सो आफ्टर 2.5 hour drive we have reached the location. Me and Andre, we came here for the full day shoot. So जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था कि पहले यहाँ पे एक परेड थी which we already missed, थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए. उसके बाद यहाँ पे काउबॉयज का शो है, देन डांस पार्टी है, देन बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स हैं. So we have entered the rodeo grounds. So right now this is Andre.
How's it going? I take you to all the cool places.
So
hanging out with cows,
yeah, cowboys,
vintage festivals, cowboys, you name it.
So today we'll be shooting both video. Andre will be doing gimbals, drone shots and some other cool stuff, and I'll be doing on mostly wide angle shots. I'm already kind of tired.
Bro, we haven't even started.
It's a hot day.
Hot day, 2.5 hour drive.
2.5 hour
I
drive.
got 4 Red Bulls.
Okay, that's a good news.
And there's more bulls around the area.
Shoppers, better took those risks. Hold one of my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rise. Trying to make motion. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a path that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the night won't scare us falling. So rise up. Way too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be
They
standing.
never gonna stop us, fly by them like choppers, better tuck those wrists, cold blood in my fists, we fly as starters, let's go, one out of a million, we'll reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny, that work, never toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rise.
Hey guys, so it's 6:20 p.m. We are halfway done with the shoot. It's a very exotic shoot going on. Cowboys, horse riding, so much is going on. It's exotic. ज़िंदगी में पहली बार शूट कर रहा हूँ. देखा मैंने हुआ है कैलगरी में स्टैम्पीड पे बहुत बार देखा मैंने, बट शूट पहली बार कर रहा हूँ. सो इट्स वेरी एक्सोटिक. I'll share my gear with you guys once I reach studio. अभी तो it's like go. So I'll see you guys. How was the day, bro?
Long but fun. Lots of cow milking and bull riding and getting tossed off horses and stepping in cow shit.
Woo. So yeah, so we had so much fun, guys. So right now we are packing our stuff. So you see lots of stuff. We didn't use lots of stuff. We used very little out of it, right?
That's true.
So
Went simple, back to the
very
basics.
simple. I was handheld. Andre was gimbal and handheld. So we didn't use. I didn't use my jacket because it was not a lot to do here. It was very less limited area we need to cover. So I was. Ooh, look at that!
Heavy.
I love it. I love this setup, bro. One day.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So look at that, guys. So this rig, he already set it up for himself. Microphone, 2 microphones basically. Ninja, a battery. What do you call that? Neto rail?
Huh?
Neto rail?
Yeah, nader rail.
Neto rail, right? Okay. So yeah. So I didn't even use my tripod. It was fun. Okay, guys. So now we are heading towards Edmonton. It will take us 1.5, 2 hours, around 2 hours. We'll eat something and then see you guys in the morning. Take care.